What is a lien releases, and why do you need one? Imagine buying a house or selling a property, and suddenly a hidden claim pops up that blocks the deal. That's where a lien releases comes into play. It's a simple but powerful document that clears up any claims against your property. When someone like a contractor or supplier files a lien, they are saying they have a legal right to part of the property because they weren't paid for work or materials. This can cause big headaches, especially if you want to sell or refinance your property. A lien releases is the official paper that shows the lien has been paid off and the claim is no longer valid. It's like a receipt that says, "This debt is settled." Without it, the lien stays on the property's title, which can prevent you from transferring ownership or getting a loan. That's why getting a lien releases after paying a debt is so important. It makes sure your property's title is clear and free of claims. There are two main types of lien releases. One is called a conditional lien releases. It only becomes valid once certain conditions are met, usually proof that the payment has cleared through the bank. The other is an unconditional lien releases, which takes effect immediately once signed, no matter if the payment has fully cleared or not. Property owners should always ask for a properly signed and recorded lien releases right after paying. This way, they avoid surprises later on. It's also good to know that a lien releases is different from a lien waiver. A lien waiver is a document you sign before work begins, promising not to file a lien later. A lien releases, on the other hand, is given after payment to remove an existing lien. Laws about lien releases can vary from state to state, including how soon they must be filed and what form they should take. Usually, they need to be notarized and recorded with the local government office to be valid. Sometimes, lien holders have a legal duty to releases the lien once they are paid. If they don't, property owners can take legal action to force them to do so. Not getting a lien releases can lead to disputes, delays in selling the property, or even costly legal battles. That's why it's a smart move to always request and keep a copy of the lien releases after settling a debt. It protects your ownership rights and keeps your property free of unnecessary legal claims.